Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're someone who values grooming precision and efficiency, today's review might be the answer to your beard care needs. We're talking about the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Hybrid Face Electric Beard Trimmer and Shaver with its innovative 360 blade technology. This grooming tool promises a comfortable, precise shave, all while making it easier to trim and shape your beard with fewer passes. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. The OneBlade 360 is equipped with a fast-moving cutter capable of performing 12,000 movements per minute, ensuring a quick and effective shave even on longer hairs. The dual protection system, complete with glide coating and rounded tips, helps minimize irritation, making the whole experience smoother. The 360 blade, which flexes in all directions, is where the product stands out. It promises optimal skin contact, making it easy to reach even those tricky spots around the jawline and under the chin, without the need for constant readjusting or discomfort. The real draw here is its versatility. It's not just a shaver, but a multifunctional grooming tool. The 5-in-1 adjustable comb, ranging from 1mm to 5mm, allows for precise trimming at different beard lengths. The dual-sided blade gives you the option to create sharp edges and detailed lines, while still being gentle enough to handle any hair length. In terms of convenience, the OneBlade 360 delivers. Whether you prefer shaving dry or in the shower, this device is waterproof and can be used wet or dry, which adds to its overall ease of use. Plus, the 45-minute battery life, combined with the compact design and USB charging capability, makes it an ideal option for those on the go. Whether you're at home or traveling, it's easy to bring along and keep in your grooming routine. Now, I should mention that this review has a bit of an interesting angle. Since this product is geared towards men, my husband helped with the testing. As a result, we can give you a more accurate, user-focused perspective. Let's dive into the pros. The flexibility of the 360 blade is a game changer. The design allows for great control, making it much easier to get around tricky spots without repeatedly passing the blade over the same area. The trimming comb's adjustable settings are fantastic for customizing the beard length to your preference. And the fact that it's waterproof means you can shave in the shower without worrying about it getting damaged. On the flip side, one of the downsides we noticed was the 45-minute battery life. While it's decent for a quick grooming session, you may need to charge it after a few uses if you tend to use it more frequently. Additionally, while the blade offers a clean shave, it might not provide the ultra-close shave some users may expect from other electric razors. For the price point, the OneBlade 360 offers decent value. It's not the cheapest beard trimmer out there, but considering the quality of the blade, the technology, and the convenience of being waterproof and travel-friendly, it's a solid investment. Of course, if you're looking for something that offers a more traditional, close shave, you might want to consider other options, but for a practical, versatile tool, it holds its own. In terms of durability, this trimmer is built to last. The materials feel solid, and we didn't notice any wear or damage after several uses. It's easy to clean as well, thanks to its waterproof nature, which adds a layer of convenience for anyone with a busy lifestyle. Now, if you're considering alternatives, there are a few options at lower price points that could meet your basic trimming and shaving needs. However, they might lack the precision, convenience, and multifunctionality that the OneBlade 360 offers. Products from brands like Braun or Remington provide similar value, but may not offer the same 360 blade flexibility. Wrapping up, the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360 Hybrid Face Electric Beard Trimmer and Shaver is a solid all-in-one tool for anyone looking for a versatile, easy-to-use grooming device. It's best suited for people who want precision, comfort, and flexibility in their beard care routine, with the added bonus of being waterproof and travel-friendly. While the battery life and close shave might not be perfect for everyone, it delivers a high-quality experience overall. If this review helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell icon to make sure you never miss a review like this. Your support helps us keep bringing honest reviews to beauty lovers like you. Thanks for tuning in today. If you've tried the Philips Norelco OneBlade 360, drop a comment below and let us know your experience. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Until next time, Stay beautiful inside and out.